Look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVW-R, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, wheels, 418 inches x 8, 45.7 centimeters x 20.3 centimeters, aluminum. Emissions: Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Convenience package, All-Star Edition, tires, P265/65 R18 off-road, white outlined letter, fog lamps, front, halogen and the suspension package, off-road. Call 888-817-5744 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.